मङ्गलं भगवान् वीरो मङ्गलं गौतम प्रभु।
ॐ नमो अरिहन्ताणं नमो सिद्धाणं नमो आयर्याणं नमो वचायाणं नमो लोये सवसाहूणम्।
Jai Jinendra and welcome to Mangalam. Today we have the last lecture in the lecture series by Anubhai Vora. He discussed all the toxic emotions, how to control them and how to take advantage of the Jain scriptures in controlling and avoiding them. Today he takes you to a deeper level of understanding these emotions and the scriptures and helping you to make a lasting change in your emotions. This is an important lecture. I hope you take advantage of this and make lasting changes in your own life.
Jai Jinendra. Welcome back to the last segment of my presentation. In the last 3 sessions, I discussed many ideas to control the kashayas or the toxic emotions of anger, arrogance, deceit and greed. Although these ideas are very powerful, we need to remember that the Jain philosophy is not the only one that addresses this problem. Many other religions and cultures have identified the same human predicament, perhaps in different words, perhaps in different languages. To illustrate this point, let me show you a small video clip that contains the wisdom from an American Indian legend. What is so fascinating about this story is that although the American Indian culture is totally different from the Jain culture and many other cultures of the world, the message is strikingly similar and worthy of our consideration and utmost attention. The story you just heard makes us think hard, doesn't it? The internal flight the story has described is similar to what happens to us inside every single day when our soul flip-flops or goes back and forth between Svabhav Dasha and Vibhav Dasha. And it is the Vibhav Dasha, the state of ignorance, wrong beliefs, and unawareness that feeds the emotions of anger, ego, deceit, and greed and causes havoc with our lives. The objective of this entire presentation, or rather the entire exercise, is to make you aware of this phenomenon and help you make a sincere effort to get closer to the Svabhav Dasha or consciousness or original nature, or in Sanskrit language, Shuddha Swarup. Now let me show you the main points I have covered so far on a single slide. What you see in this slide is a comprehensive summary of what I have discussed in the last 3 sessions. It shows the toxic emotions on the left-hand side and the cures or the solutions on the right-hand side. On a different note, please remember that there is absolutely no difference between what you see on the right-hand side and the first 4 of the 10 Dashlakshanas being celebrated and observed by the Digambar community every single year. Most of us know about this spiritual practice, but very few of us have recognized its real significance, real importance, and that is the depth and radical nature of the cures. That's the reason we have been complacent to keep the cures or the solutions just at the thought and the speech level. Very few of us seem to realize that these cures are meant to be lived every single day to effect a profound spiritual transformation within us. The important point to remember is that the development of these virtues is of huge significance, huge importance in Jainism. It is the crux of the whole subject matter. The next logical question that may come to your mind is, how do we reach at that elevated spiritual stage? Well, the answer is very simple. We need to dive in deep, much, much deeper, to find the precious gems of divine virtues. This means we need to work hard at the conscious level or belief level instead of just stopping at the mind level and not getting anywhere. In other words, we need to move from mind consciousness to soul consciousness. And how do we accomplish this task? How do we do it? Well, next slide has the answer. To start with, we need to work on our ignorance and wrong beliefs and get closer to our inner self, that is true nature or consciousness or our Atma. If we succeed in this step, we discover those divine qualities needed to control the toxic emotions or kashayas. They are hidden there. We just have to find them. The other point is that because we do not know our true nature, we equate soul with body, including mind and senses, while in fact they are totally different from each other. Because of this fundamental error, fundamental blunder on our part, we tend to mistake one for the other. We need to realize that the emotions are like transient waves that are generated at the mind level but not at the conscious level, and therefore they do not reflect our real nature. To fix this problem, we need to make our soul the driver and controller of our thoughts, emotions, and behavior, and make the mind and body obey the soul. To achieve this, our seers have given us many resources such as meditation, self-study or Swadhyaya, Sadguru, and Satsang. More we use these resources, closer will we get to our true nature, and better would be our ability to control the emotions. But this is not the only step we need to take. We also need to study and apply a couple other ideas that are shown in the next slide. We need to believe deeply in the theory of karma, which is the cornerstone of Jainism. It says very clearly that everything that happens in our lives is due to our past karmas, and the people involved are just nimitta, and we need to stay away from blaming them or attacking them. This means instead of getting carried away with kashayas or toxic emotions when we come across a difficult situation, we need to sit back, pause, reflect, and put ourselves in a witness mode and remain in a state of equanimity. This is the approach practically every one of our enlightened souls have taken to accelerate their pace toward liberation. We just need to follow their footsteps. The last step is about being aware of our thoughts. Someone might say, why thoughts? Well, that's where our problems start. That's the reason in Jainism the quality of our thought process is everything. Thoughts, feelings, vows, adhyavasas, they are all closely connected. If we consciously start watching our thoughts, we realize that most of them are driven by toxic emotions or kashayas. Once we come to this realization, then we'll become more motivated to control them. Now, let me quickly go over the key points I've made during these 4 talks. Even if you forget everything, please memorize these key points. They are very important. And number 1, control of toxic emotions arising from raga and dvesha is the core message of Jain teachings. This is also a common thread among many of our prayers, rituals, and spiritual discourses. Awareness of our emotions is the first critical step towards inner spiritual transformation. It is the light of awareness that's a missing link in most of us. Therefore, please remember, unless we are willing to look within with full awareness, and unless we are willing to make an honest attempt to get rid of the toxic emotions, just blindly singing Chidananda Rupi Shivoham Shivoham is not going to be very productive. Next point. Problems at the macro level are a reflection of what's going on at the micro level. What we see at the macro level are just the symptoms. The root cause lies at the deeper level. This is where Jainism excels. Remember, every thought has consequences because, according to the teachings of Jainism, the karmic bondage starts at the thought level. Then it picks momentum and gets stronger and stronger at the speech and action level. That's the reason why the continual awareness of our thought process is very, very important. Another Jain insight worth keeping in mind is that if your reactions are muted, subdued, that is without kashayas or toxic emotions, the karmic bondage would be extremely weak. Weaker the bondage, faster our journey to liberation. The last point I would like to emphasize is that the intellectual understanding of the concept in this talk has limited benefit. If you really want to get the maximum advantage, you must apply the concepts every day. So, before I conclude, let me leave you with a few inspiring thoughts that will steer you towards the application. Please listen to them very carefully. The message I have conveyed to you during these 4 talks is very powerful and can indeed change your destiny. I'm totally and absolutely convinced about it. So please take its real meaning to the heart and experiment with your own situation. Play with it and see how it unfolds. Remember, the books and other people's ideas alone cannot illumine you. They cannot possibly change you. You have to dive in yourself. You have to do the heavy lifting. And also remember, at the end of the day, it's your drama. It's your spiritual journey. It's your life. You shape it the way you want. And you are the only one who can do it. And the time to do it is now. Why? Well, because the clock is ticking fast. Much, much faster than you think. Thank you for your time, and Jai Jinendra.
Now it's time to take a short break. Please don't go away, we'll be right back. Welcome back to Mangalam. Now we will give you a rare treat by Kumar Chatterjee. He is singing the Padmavati Devi Stuti, which probably you have never heard. It's out of this world experience. After that, we will take you to Jain Global News and then a performance by our youth.
पद्मावती माता को पौमावई कहते हैं, तो पौमावई अमरिय जीरा गुण समरिय पार्श्वनाथ दादा पौमावई अमरिय जीरा गुण समरिय रंग भर राची नाच करे पौमावई अमरिय जीरा गुण समरिय रंग भर राची नाच करे बाजत समतालन दुंद विचालन भालन फेरी भणकंती दुक्कमड कमडनन शंख शोभनन गणनन कंसिय गणनंती कलय कलय करियति मनोहारी वाणी शोभन सुखकर पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग कर राजिय नाच कर पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग कर राजिय नाच कर पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग कर राजिय मानक पद कड़िया मोतिशु जड़िया आरी अंगे ओ पंथी लायक जगनायक मनमत नायक पाई अकिया रो पंथी पामरि लोड़ावती जिन गुण गावती भावती भाणी चित्त करे पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच कर पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच दिदिताना 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 वीणा रस बरलीना धीना नादे जननंती आदे अलबंती देवी शुपंती देहि सुकंती दीपंती चुंदरी नवरंगी अंगी अचंग नवल सुरंगी रंगधर पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच कर पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच कर पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय ताकिदन 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 दे ताकिदन दे ताकिदन दे ताकिदन दे ताकिदन दे देंदा 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 दा देंदा दा देंदा दा देंदा ताकिदन दे ताकिदन दे ताकिदन पूजन संहारी विघ्न विहारी समन्वित धारी जयकारी शासन सारी संग भयमारी हरिपद प्यारी मनमारी सागर हरि हरि गरि जलन जलोदर नाम जप दुख दूर करे पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समर रंग भर राजिय नाच करे पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समर रंग भर राजिय नाच करे पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर ताकिदन पारस परमेश्वर भुवन दिनेश्वर अलवेश्वर पद सेवंती क्षमतिन उत्तम पद्म विजय शुभ रूप विजय पद देवंती संकेश्वर ईश्वर त्रिभुवन दिनेश्वर सेवा भक्ति करे पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच कर पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच कर पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच करे पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच करे पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच करे पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच करे पौमा मैया मरिय जिन गुण समरिय रंग भर राजिय नाच करे
Jai Janandar, and welcome to Global Jain News. In view of the uniqueness of Ashtapad Tirth in Jain mythology, Jain Center of America has taken up the task of rediscovering this Tirth, determining its exact location and its historical facts. The information collected so far has been published in 2 volumes, and the 3rd one is on its way out. Ashtapad is one of the 5 major Tirths mentioned in Jain scriptures, and it is believed that Bhagwan Rishabdev performed his austerities and meditation on this holy Tirth, achieving complete liberation and attaining moksha from there. This monument is believed to have been lost after Sri Gautam Swami visited this place about 2,600 years ago. Diwali was celebrated with music, dancing, and live performance in Trafalgar Square. It was the 11th year that this festival, which celebrates a victory of good over evil, was marked at the central London landmark. The event was organized by the Mayor of London in association with the Diwali in London Committee. Boris Johnson said that celebrations such as Diwali added to London's vibrant cultural calendar. It is a festival with values rooted in peace and mutual respect, and is of relevance to all Londoners as well as Hindus, Sikhs, and Jains, he said. This is all for today's J News. We'll be back soon. Until then, I'm Risha Mehta. Jai Jinandar.
मङ्गलाणं च सौवेसिं कुंडलपुर में जो माता त्रिशूला जी का ललना झूले, कभी मुस्काए कभी रूठे कभी और हंसे, माता लोरी सुनाए, पीर को वो सुनाए, माता लोरी सुनाए, माता लोरी सुनाए।
कुंडलपुर में क्यों आज ऐसे नर नारी झूमे, प्रभु महावीर की बधाई के सब गीत गाए। आज महावीर जन्मे, आज महावीर जन्मे, कैसे बोला के प्यारे, आज महावीर जन्मे, आज महावीर जन्मे। महावीर प्यारे हैं सबसे निराले, ये तो सारे जग के हैं देखो जियारे। महावीर प्यारे हैं सबसे निराले, ये तो सारे जग के हैं देखो जियारे।
माता त्रिशूला जी का आंगन आज यूं महके, पिता सिद्धार्थ जी का ललना आज यूं चहके।
खुशियाँ देखो छाई है सबके मन को भाई है, खुशियाँ देखो छाई है सबके मन को भाई है। सांझ सकारे लोरी वो गाए, वीर वीर की धुन जगाए।
होय 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 होय, वीर के द्वार जो भी आए वो ही फूले फले, माता लोरी सुनाए, माता लोरी सुनाए, वीर को वो सुनाए, माता लोरी सुनाए, माता लोरी सुनाए। घर घर द्वारे पे दीप है जलाए, गली गली आंगन में फूल बिछाए।
इंद्र भी आज बड़े प्रेम से अभिषेक करे, क्षीर सागर से भर लाए वो अमृत के घड़े।
देवों का यही कहना है, त्रिशूला जी का कहना है, देवों का यही कहना है, त्रिशूला जी का कहना है। आया है घर में, छाया है घर में, गोरी गोरी सी गोरी सूरतिया।
माता का ध्यान सदा अपने ही ललने पे रहे, तू ही एक तारणहारा ये तो सारी दुनिया कहे।
माता लोरी सुनाए,
आज महावीर जन्मे।
माता लोरी सुनाए मधुर गीत वो गाए वीर को सुनाए।
I hope you enjoyed today's program. We'll see you again next week. Until then, Jai Jinendra. I hope you liked today's program. We value your opinion and comments. So please write to us at mangalamshow@gmail.com. The success of Mangalam Show is not without your contributions and cooperations. We would like to see your contributions coming. Please visit our website for further information. Your contributions are tax deductible.